Good evening, guys. Cesar 16 here. I just record everything that I'm gonna explain now, but for some reason my voice wasn't record, but it's fine. I'm gonna explain everything more quickly. If you guys pay attention to my last pre-analysis, you guys are gonna understand completely why I'm taking buys or sells. Okay, so to put it simple, I said that I wanted to take buys from here, and buys from here for today. I didn't take anything. Why? The setup was shown here. I didn't take it because I didn't like it. I didn't like this range, and I wanted to see the price go a little more down. I like to buy when the price is low, so the lower the price is, the better it is for me to take my buy opportunity. Okay, so I wanted the price to keep going a little more down to mitigate. I took the right decision. The price at the end went down. It went to this range that I wanted to see mitigated. The price did mitigate it here, as you guys can see on this week. The price mitigated the range right here, and it showed me the entry. I didn't take it because the New York section closed, and I don't take entries after the New York section is done. Okay, so I didn't take that entry because I followed my plan. I avoided that loss. Okay, and after that the price went a little more down inside this range. It manipulated the previous low, and it showed another buy opportunity from here. That entry was even better because the price was lower. The lower the price is, the better it is to take a buy. Plus, it manipulated this low right there and showed a good reaction to the upside. So I saw that entry happening. I was working and I opened the chart out of nowhere to see what the price did, to see if that entry was, to see if that entry worked out. It didn't work out, and I saw how the price was creating the new one. I was thinking about taking it, but I don't take entries at 2 p.m., So I didn't take it, but I was so sure that it was gonna work because of what the price did here and because it was very low, And the price, it was dropping a lot, and it was time for it to do a pullback, and it's doing it now. So the price created an opportunity around here, and the entry was right there, and the price went straight to TP. Like around here, it was at the TP. So yeah, that was a setup that happened, out of my section. So it's fine. We are here to take whatever the price allows us to. Okay. So nothing. I didn't take anything today. What I'm gonna be looking for tomorrow. If the price from here decides to go back down inside this range once again, if the price manipulate that low right there and then show me my entry with a good reaction to the upside, I'm gonna be looking for buys from there. Okay. And if the price if it goes lower, which would be better, the lower the price is, the better it is to take a buy, as I said before. If the price keeps going down to this range here, to mitigate that range and show my opportunity, I'm gonna be looking buys from there tomorrow. Okay. And if the price create this opportunity during London, I'm going in. If it respect the location and show a good push to the upside, leaving a range here, I'm gonna be most likely waiting for the price to come back to the New York to hopefully catch a continuation to the upside. Okay, why I wanna take buys? Okay, as I said before, as I said yesterday, and what I've been saying, for a couple days, the price down here mitigated this range, and after that mitigation the price has been uptrending. Okay, so we have bullish intention in the market, so I don't have any reasons to avoid taking these buys here. Okay, the only reason why I wouldn't take buys there is because if the price from here is approaching like that, just going down with a lot of volume, like here, as you guys can see, I took a loss right there because there wasn't any entries here, and I took an entry against that push. Okay, so if I see the same thing here, I'm not gonna take any entries. So yeah, that's why I wanna take buys. Okay, so if the price keeps going up like it's doing it now, and for London or New York, I just trade New York, but my pre-analysis work for London too. So if the price goes here to the London and show that setup, that's a good sell opportunity there. If it goes even higher, the higher it is, the better it is to take sales. Okay, so if the price goes up to mitigate, let me delete this. If it goes up to mitigate this range here, I'm gonna be taking sells from here. If it goes a little, if it goes higher, the better. A sell opportunity from up there, or even a little more higher, or even more higher. Okay, I take very serious when I you know, I really mean it when I say that I like to take sells when the price is high or buys when the price is low. Okay, that's how my strategy works. Why? Because the price needs to go up in order to keep going down, or it needs to go down in order to keep going up. Okay, that's the logic. Okay, so yeah guys, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be looking for tomorrow. It's too early, so I don't have enough data, but that's overall what I'm gonna be looking for. Okay, have a good night, and I'm gonna explain everything in Spanish now. So thank you for being here, and once again, have a good night. Thank you. Buenas noches, Cesar 16 here. Voy a explicar rápidamente por qué quiero tomar compra desde acá abajo o venta desde acá arriba. Okay. Aunque permítame mencionar que el día de hoy yo no di ningún update porque no tomé nada. So, el precio me mostró un setup aquí, yo no lo tomé porque yo quería que el precio cayera más. El precio sí cayó más, mitigó esta zona. Yo quería comprar acá, pero el setup se formó luego de New York y yo no tomo entradas luego de que cierra New York. Luego de eso el precio siguió cayendo, manipuló este low, fue más adentro de este range y aparte mitigó mi zona premium de compra. So, esa entrada era mucho mejor. Mientras más bajo el precio esté, lo mejor es para tomar una compra. Y el precio formó la entrada de compra acá y esta funcionó completamente. Yo vi la entry cuando se formó, la quería tomar porque estaba muy buena, pero yo no tomo entries luego de New York. Pero sí, uno está aquí para tomar lo que el precio le permita durante su debida sesión. Si tú tradeas London o New York, uno solo tiene que cumplir con tomar su entrada durante su sesión. Okay. ¿Por qué yo quiero comprar acá? Porque el precio, como dije ayer, acá abajo mitigó este range y ha estado uptrending, ha estado creando una estructura alcista. So, yo estoy esperando en general que el precio venga acá para seguir subiendo a la alza, siguiendo esa dirección. Ok. So, ¿por qué yo quiero vender? ¿Por qué si yo veo esa estructura a la alza? ¿Por qué yo quiero vender acá? Como siempre digo, cuando el precio está alto, me gusta vender. También porque el precio desde acá ha estado creando una estructura bajista. Y aquí el precio simplemente está creando un nuevo high para luego seguir hacia la baja. Ok, so así como el precio quiere caer acá para seguir hacia la alza respetando toda esta intención alcista, lo mismo puede pasar. El precio simplemente está subiendo para seguir hacia la baja, siguiendo esta estructura. Ok, así que por esa razón es que yo digo que a mí me gusta vender cuando el precio está alto y comprar cuando el precio está bajo. So, eso es básicamente lo que yo estoy buscando el día de mañana. Okay. Todavía está muy temprano, no tengo suficiente información, pero esto en general es lo que yo me voy a levantar para New York buscando una entrada que se vea como estos dibujos. Ok, so yeah. pasen una bonita noche y les deseo suerte el día de mañana. Let's see how it goes.